Today's video is brought to you by EndTimeGardening.com. Visit our website for your instructional gardening products and services through the link in the description box below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
It helps to plant the seedlings with a little Epsom salt. About a teaspoon of Epsom salt is good to put in the holes when you're planting them, and fill the hole with water. A teaspoon of Epsom salt and fill the hole with water. They do very well. The Epsom salt helps with the general growth of the plant and has a high content of magnesium, which aids in the growth and development of the plant. These holes are low in soil, so I'm going to add some mulch to it. Fill it up a little bit.